Hi, in this segment of Ask Dr. Julie, there's a great question that comes in from YouTube from Mohammed. And he wants to know, is there a link between vision problems and ADHD? Yes. Yes, there is. And approximately 90% of all kids who have been diagnosed as ADHD actually have some common familiar findings in vision. One of them, and the most common one, is called convergence insufficiency, which means they have a tough time crossing their eyes and lining them up to a target. For instance, when we look at something up close, our eyes have to cross in and follow that target in towards our eyes. Or to read a book or something up close, the eyes have to cross to a certain extent. Different from if we're looking at distance, our eyes are like straight, but then when we come to look at something up close, our eyes cross in. And this is highly associated with what can look like ADHD, but it might actually not be ADHD. It might just look that way based on their difficulty with aligning and using their two eyes together for a length of time. So the convergence problem can actually cause something called diplopia or double vision. And if you see double of things, words may wiggle and jiggle around on the page or slide off, look double. It's really hard. Again, diplopia is kind of like moving around and seeing two of things. It's really hard for some people to have stability in what they're able to see, and if they see that when they look up close all the time, well, probably not going to be big and wanting to read or sit still for reading. So they may look like they're inattentive or have trouble staying focused, or they may look again like they're ADHD. So is there a link between the two? Absolutely. And is it possible that vision problems actually make someone look ADHD and they don't really have it? Yes. Most decidedly, we see that all the time. So there are actually very few small cases of true ADHD, and there's lots of cases out there that we can go and say there's something visually going on, or maybe even some other sensory components of problems that are going on for them. So you can go to our website. There's a questionnaire on there. Fill it out if this information is, piquing your interest, or you know someone who has ADHD and you've always kind of questioned it. Maybe they don't really have that. Go to the website and fill out that questionnaire. It will send over to us, or you can just call us if you happen to be local at 618-288-1489. We'll talk to you about how we might be able to figure out whether or not vision is playing a part on your either yourself or maybe your child looking as though they have ADHD. Thank you.